Okay guys, so I'm going to show you my Pokemon farm. I'm not a big fan of Pokemon, but I have found that Pokemon app over here, and it basically allows you to walk, and yeah, you can see over here the joystick. You can see here is some teleport. Oh, Ivy. I have Ivy over here. Let's see. Well, let me try catch it. I suck at throwing balls. Okay, so here's the joystick. You can use it to walk without actually walking. So you can see that I'm on my desk, and yeah. So as you can see, they're pretty much farm spots. Abra, let me see Abra. And I'm not a big fan of Pokemon Go, but I started playing it since I found that app. So you can actually teleport, but this might block your account, and you do not want that. You also have a lot of Pokestops. As you can see, you can use them for some XP. At the moment I want to level up to 15. So let me show you some walking. The annoying thing is that you have to tap a lot. I mean with the walking. My bag is full. Let's delete some stuff from my bag. What do this? I do not need it. Okay. Oh, Ivy again. Big CP, big CP, big CP, big CP. What the fuck? Where did you came from? 15 CP Ivy. You suck, man. We'll use you for candy. Anyway, so yeah, this farm is pretty awesome, cause I have made for around 1 hour of farming. I have made this Vaporeon. Yeah, cause a lot of Ivy spawn sometimes, but there are a lot of junk spawns like bat. Forgot its name. Those bats, you know. Where the fuck are those gold bats? I don't know. Anyway, so I think that this evolving and stuff should be done in the higher levels because of the CP, but I was dumb enough to do it in early levels. But whoa, grow light, nice CP. I'm not usually left-handed, but I'm trying my best at the moment. Yeah, so a lot of you will probably be asking how to get this app. There are a few tutorials in the internet how to get it. but if you're too lazy watching them all, you can ask me on personal message and I will be glad helping you. So yeah, and Team Mystic for life.